I'm gonna be scraping out the FatMat so I can spray some lizard skin later. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to go ahead and take out the e-brake handle and the steering column and get that out of the way. With the steering column out of the way, I can take care of the driver's side floorboard. About halfway through. It's not too bad, just take some time. I think here on out I'm just gonna do lizard skin on any other project. That's Jinx. He's a nosy little dude. It didn't turn out too bad. Still to make a few passes, get some more of that asphalt off. Some dry ice to get some of the factory sound deadening out. That's what I was left with.